Hey guys, okay, so we are back at the house, and I am super excited to share with you guys what I ended up getting. So I didn't really film too much in the store. My battery was like completely dying, and but we found some really great stuff that I can't wait to share with you guys. But let me show you guys this first, because this is, I went to another thrift store, in the beginning of the day, and I only got one thing, and it is this, which I was actually pretty excited about, and it's a cap rack. Which is actually, it was purchased from the Container Store for the price of $20 dollars. I always want to say doll hairs, I don't know why. Where did I hear that from? Anyway, but I got it at the Goodwill for $5.99, and this is awesome. You can hang it on the door. It holds 36 hats, and I have a lot of hats. And I kind of just like have them like strewn about like in my closet and like random cupboards and stuff. So it's perfect to finally have somewhere where I can keep them all. And I know I don't have 36 hats. I don't really have that many, but now I can have up to 36 hats hanging on this beautiful little doohickey thingamabobber thingamajigger flibbidigibbit thing. So very excited about this. I know it's like ridiculous to be excited about something like this, but I'm trying to organize my life, and this is one step closer to that organization. So, very excited, very excited. Okay, so that's the one thing that I got from the Goodwill that I went to. I'll have that video linked right there if you guys want to check it out as well. I did see a lot of really great stuff, but I have been, honestly, I've been trying to Marie Kondo my thrifting as much as I can. But let me show you guys what else I got at the store. So I did end up getting this beautiful Quahog bag. You know what? I couldn't resist it. It's so nice. I love the style of it. Again, it reminds me of the Fendi Spy bag. It kind of also reminds me of Francisco Biasia with kind of like the lock, even though this lock is totally different. But I just love the style. I also love this pebbled leather that Quahog uses. I feel like sometimes Quahog is a little bit overlooked because I know they're really more well known for their shoes, which are awesome. I love Quahog shoes so much, but their handbags are amazing. I feel like their craftsmanship and the quality of materials that they use are up to par with like Dooney and Burke and Coach and stuff like that. And their price points are actually pretty are actually about the same. So, but I feel like it's not like as I don't know, popular or well known, but people that have Quahog bags know how great they are, and I love them. And this leather just feels so nice, you guys. And it's like a beautiful shoulder bag. Opens right here with a little clasp. And what's great too is that the main middle compartment is zippered. So you don't necessarily have to buckle that every time. But the interior is like nice and clean. It's made of this really nice, clean, like easy to clean fabric. And then there's a open pocket in the back and the front as well. So beautiful Quahog shoulder bag. Got this baby for $10. Hot dog. That's a really good price. Especially for like an all leather bag, like honestly, like you can't find, so hard. Okay, up next, we have this beautiful Michael Kors bag, and I was a little hesitant to purchase it because this one was $12.99, and it's because, I know it's ridiculous, but it's supposed to have a little Michael Kors dongle right there, and I feel like it's like incomplete without it. But regardless of whether or not it has the little dongle, because you can easily just attach another one if you have one, or you can put, oh, you know what you can actually do? If you have like a really cute like keychain or something, that's like, this is literally the perfect spot to hang it on, because it'll dongle like right in the front. It'll be super duper cute. And we're gonna just add my little Fendi backpack charm onto here. I know it's like black on black, but hey, why not? Right? Like, it's really cute. And yeah, so why not just hang your own little decorative ornamentation on there, or if you have another Michael Kors dongle that you can put on there, you can easily attach it. But other than that, the rest of the bag is in fantastic condition, and I do love the treatment of this leather. It's like an embossed snake, and it's cool because the scales have like a metallic patent sheen, and then in between the scales is suede. So you just have like this really cool texture. It looks beautiful with against the gold of the hardware. There's pockets on either side, and then it just opens like this. And the interior is nice and roomy, has tons of compartments. It has 4 open pockets, a zipper pocket, and a key fob as well. So, I mean, $12.99 for an all-leather bag. Again, this is an amazing price. And even though it's missing the dongle, still think it's awesome. So, had to pick it up, especially because the condition is so good on this. I mean, like, I feel like it literally looks almost like brand new. And yeah, so with just the exception of the missing piece, still think it's totally cool. So very excited for that guy. And then I have one more handbag to share with you guys, and it is this. I hope it's not getting too washed out from the light, but it's this beautiful Kate Spade crossbody bag in pebbled leather, and it's in this beautiful like sea foam minty green color, gold hardware. Has this main compartment right here, has a zipper pocket, and then I love that the top flap opens up and that you can use the space all the way into the back of the bag. So this is a great little bag. It kind of reminds me of the Marc Jacobs bag in almost the same silhouette. This one is a little bit more compact though, and I do love the color. Has a crossbody strap, and this guy I got for $20, and there's a little bit of like staining on the front, but I feel like I can just clean that up right away and it's gonna look fantastic. So excited about that. And then last but not least, I feel like this day, like I found some really cool shoes, and I wish these were men's shoes or at least fit me, because I really do like these. Excuse me, I'm getting a little verklempt. No, I'm just kidding. But these are again, getting washed out, I think. But these are Bottega Veneta sneakers. You can see the signature Bottega Veneta in terracotta. I think that's what it's called. Am I just making that up? A woven leather right there. And it's just like white shoelaces. And gosh, you guys, these are in such great condition. They were only $10. I believe they're a size 39, so I believe that translates to like a size 9, 9.5. I don't know, guys. Mom might want these shoes. I'm not too sure. I'm going to put them up in the shop maybe, so you guys will know whether or not she took them or not. But these shoes are so nice. Again, I wish these fit me, because this is totally my style of shoe that I would love. But, I mean, at least I can offer it up to you guys or to mom, who's ever interested. But again, Bottega Veneta, made in Italy, beautiful white leather shoes. I'm like dead over these, you guys. These are so cool. I can't believe I almost missed these. Again, like I say, look everywhere. Look under. I actually found these. There was a rack of dresses, and underneath the dresses, like they were like kind of like they were floor length dresses, so you like, and then there's like a little shelf underneath, and there were actually like all these shoes under there, but the dresses were kind of covering them. And I was just like looking underneath and like taking a gander to see what was down there, and lo and behold, these shoes were just waiting for me down there. So it was definitely fate. I feel like actually this day that I went thrifting, when I found this stuff, all the other stores I went to too, like I feel like just looking really hard in places you don't think things are going to be totally paid off. So if that is like my tip of the week, is to definitely search high and low wherever you don't think something's going to be. And if you're looking for like shoes or like a handbag or something, look everywhere. You literally have to search the whole store, because people will just kind of like hide stuff or like drop stuff off in random spots, and you never know what you're gonna find. So like, I feel like my favorite spots to look to find really cool stuff, and I know this is gonna like bite me in the butt, because now I'm never gonna find anything when I look at these places, but the kids section. Look at the kids section. Look under the, especially where the stuffed animals are. Look underneath, like look inside there. Like you can always find some really great stuff. I found like a bunch of toy bird shoes once, and it was just like in a pile of toys, like underneath like the stuffed animals. So look there. Look in the furniture section, and like if there's furniture pieces that kind of like go to the floor and like kind of like have a lip and kind of cover stuff, look underneath there, because there's usually something great there as well. And also look in the kitchenware, like people just like to drop stuff off there as well. So yeah. Oh, also look when you're kind of like looking at the handbags and like looking through them, kind of like feel the bag or peek inside of them too, because sometimes people will just leave stuff randomly inside of bags, and I have found like really great wallets and stuff just like hiding inside of bags. So definitely do that as well. But that is pretty much going to end today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please give it a big thumbs up, because that always helps immensely. Let me know too if you guys have found anything really cool recently, because I always love hearing about your finds as well. If you ever find anything cool and post it on Instagram, definitely tag me as well, so I can like kind of share it with everyone else, so we can like share all of our really great finds together, because I love that so much, like building like a little community and sharing all of our cool thrift finds and just inspiring and like you know, like I don't know, you know, it's just like I like to, we're just building this little thrifting community. Again, the Thrift Squad, you guys are very near and dear to my heart. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye! Starting out here in like the home goods. Ooh, look at like this old telephone, but it's like not actually that old because the buttons are like real buttons. It's not like a rotary. They left these like modern Christmas tree looking things. They changed the layout on me a little bit.